Why are you hiding under my feet? Hey! Hey! Charlie! Did he really scare you, dude?
Leave Murderbot alone.
Hey!
Not happy about Murderbot.
Mm-mm. What is wrong with you, Charlie? Are you? What's it doing to you? Hi. Nobody cares. Even Lucy. She gotten over it. Front. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. See? Good boy. Told you guys, front works awesome when you want to get him out of the distraction. Awesome. Good boy. Good job, Charlie. Okay, you can go. It's okay. He won't hurt you. Good boy.